This tutorial will show you how to make a collage in Photoshop. First of all, open a canvas. Click on View, New Guide. Now select here horizontal. Give position value 50%. OK. Again click on View, New Guide. Now select vertical. Give position value 50%. Now select rectangular marquee tool and select a background color and draw the first part. Take a new layer. Select pen bucket tool. Click on the selected part. Press Ctrl D to deselect. And the same way, we have to separate all of this part. So I'm gonna taking a new layer. Selecting a different background color. Selecting the rectangular marquee tool. Selecting the second part. Now select the first layer. Go to File, Place, and select the photo. Place. Change the position of the photo. Click on Done, and the same way, select the second layer. File, Place. Select your second photo. Do the same process for all layers. Now take a new layer and make sure to put this layer at the top and select rectangular marquee tool. Select whole canvas. Right click inside of this box. Stroke. I'm gonna giving width 8 pixel and selecting the color. Location, select inside. Click on OK. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Now select single row marquee tool. Right click above the line. Stroke. Giving 8 pixel. Select center. OK. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Now select single column marquee tool and click here. Right click on the line. Stroke. That's how we can make a collage in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.